Which algorithm is particularly good for handling large datasets with high dimensionality? What is a key method used to combat the overfitting problem in neural networks? Which of these is a core component of unsupervised learning? In machine learning, what is the term for a model's error on the training set? Which learning strategy uses reward and punishment as signals for positive and negative behavior? What is the process of selecting a subset of relevant features for model construction called? What type of learning is primarily used for dividing a dataset into clusters? Which of these is a popular metric for regression model performance? What technique transforms raw data into an understandable format for machine learning models? Which term refers to the independent variables in a machine learning model?